Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find the option Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, in my case it is a little bit over 1 hour and most of the time I've spent on the settings. If you wish, you can tap inside the graph and you will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the specific time you've spent on the screen in particular days of the week. You can obviously compare them. And under it you've got the list of apps which we've been using with the time you've spent on them. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example on the settings, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. So under it we've got something which is called ways to disconnect, and I will discuss only two of them. So for example, app timers and focus. So in app timers you can let's say limit your app. So for example, let's say I'm spending too much time on the shopping on Amazon. All we have to do is to find the app and then tap on this hourglass icon next to it. So now we can set the timer. So for example, I will set it for 1 hour and 30 minutes, which means that I can use this app for 1 hour and 30 minutes during one day. After the midnight, the timer will be reset, and the next day I am again able to use this app for 1 hour and 30 minutes. We can also set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes, which means that this option will be, this app will be completely turned off and we will not be able to use it. Obviously we will be able, but we will simply get the notification. I will just show you. It is right here. So as you can see, first of all, it is grayed out, and after trying to tap on it, we've got this information that no, sorry, we've got the timer set. Of course, you can turn it off just by going to the settings, but still it's quite useful. And another thing which is quite nice is the focus mode. So basically here we can select some distracting apps, so for example those from which we are receiving the most notifications. So let me choose randomly those. Here we can set a schedule, so we can choose specific days of the week. We can also change the time in which we would like to set the schedule, and then tap on set, and after that your device will basically limit the notifications from those distracting apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.